Just do what? Isn't that the big question when we come to walking into the training room and deciding what exercises we're going to do today, what program we're going to do, and most of all, how many sets and reps we're going to do. So what this program is going to be about and what this talk is going to be about is how I feel we can successfully do that. Major elements of a successful program is you need to plan the program. While the program is going on, you need to be able to monitor it. And when the program is done, we need to be able to evaluate what we've done and has it worked. That has always been, to me, the big mystery in training. The way I've been successful in doing that is to use an Excel spreadsheet. So when we plan out a workout, we have our steps. The tutor's always been the first to talk about. But now what I've been able to do with a simple Excel spreadsheet is to put those steps into an actual workout sheet where we can have, for an athlete, every set and every rep that the athlete needs to use throughout the training phase. What we start with, of course, is in every training phase we want to figure out or decide where our program is going to be. So in this case, I'm dealing with a team handball that basically have a maximum strength and activation phase, short period in the summer where they can train because of their age group. We don't really have a whole lot of time in their off season. So we've picked this period, say June, July, and August, teach them the exercises, to design the program, and to implement the program. Now, from here, where we're going to go is we have to design the step. The way I design the step here in an Excel spreadsheet is, again, what we're looking at here is we're doing 4 sets. Each week we're going to increase a little bit more. The 4th week is a down week. Then we're going to test. We're going to be able to have a workout after the test, and a week after the workouts or the test is over, and so that I might have the time to be able to get back to the athlete with the program. Again, I don't have a full staff, so sometimes it takes me a week or so to get back. So what these steps read is we've designed them 50% for 12, 65% for 10, 65% for 10, 70% for 6 to 8. The following week we increase a little bit more. The following 3rd week we increase a little bit more. Now again, these percentages can change as we go along because we have to be able to determine how advanced our athletes are, what they can get away with. But what I want to be able to do is, how can I guarantee that this step will actually be used by the athlete? And that's what we're talking about. We have to have a way to do that. After we've designed the step, the time it's going to take the athlete to train, now we need to take the test. We determine the exercises. Here, for example's sake, we'll use a bench press, a leg press, and sit-ups with weight. These are all explained in other videos I've done. So now we're going to take the test. So we're going to come up with a test result. In this case, 1 repetition max. In the case of sit-ups with weight, we can do 10 kilos for 10 reps. The next step we do after that is now we're going to have and put this in a program that we've designed. And here's the key. We're going to have 2 workouts a week. We have our test results. We have the step that we're going to do. Now what we're going to be able to do is to follow the athletes through these workouts so that here, for example, we're going to do 50 kilos or pounds times 12 reps, we put a check mark. 65 for 10, we put a check mark. Now we'll be able to track the athlete. Are they actually doing these workouts or are they not? We continue in a couple of minutes.